much, Roberti. I welcome you all from Auckland, New Zealand in Onaji's Kitchen. This is the second part of my other video because I have already said thank you to all my subscribers from the bottom of my heart who supported me, who subscribed me, and the people who watched my videos and shared the videos to their friends and families. Now, this is the time I wanted to say thank you to two of the very important team members of my channel. These two boys are doing fantastic job and they are very sportive, very helpful. Whenever I need to check something, they are always ready to help me, and they help me in editing, and they always being so kind that they give me suggestions to improve my channel. Sorry, it is very windy here and I think soon going to be rain. The two team members, two lovely boys, which are they are the backbone of my channel, and their names are Zuhair and Zan. So Zuhair is the one who suggested me that you are a very good cook, because I got some very authentic recipes from my mum, and he suggested me that I should start a channel and upload the videos so everyone can watch and try your recipes. So I said, why not? Let's go for it. So he made the channel, he kept the name, and then we started. And then he was the one. He's a very lovely schoolboy. He is editing my videos, and then my other lovely sweet boy is Zan, who is also helping me when the other boy Zuhair is busy in his school work. He's the one, Zan. He's helping me in editing, and he gives me suggestions and some other things to progress the channel. So well done, boys, we have made it. Now our target is 10,000 subscribers, and keep up the good work, and you are doing an awesome and fantastic job. So to get that, or to achieve that 10,000 subscriber, we need the support of you all. Please subscribe my channel and share my link to all of your friends and contacts, and keep watching my videos. Please share it with your friends and families, and do not forget to press the bell icon so whenever I upload the videos you can get it straight away. Hope to see you soon with a very interesting and nice video with a new recipe. Until then, take care, stay blessed, and stay safe. Bye bye.